Pada tahun 2015 memang kondisi asap kemarin itu memang jarak pandang kalau itu sekitar 50 meter saja. Dan memang itu kabutnya memang begitu tebal sehingga memang sangat memperburuk situasi dan kondisi pada saat itu.
Pas waktu 2015 anak saya masih memang balita, itu sampai kita ungsikan dia ke Pangkalan Kerinci karena di Kelurahan Langgam ini memang asapnya tidak ada toleransi lagi lah.
I'm Craig Tribole, the Strategic Fire and Protection Manager for April, based here in Kerinci, Riau. The program really started in late 2014. We recognised that April had a very strong suppression capability, but we lacked the early part of that fire management cycle, which was fire prevention. The fundamental principle behind our strategy was what we considered to be a landscape risk map. From that risk map and all the inputs that went into that, we were able to define 9 communities that we considered to be an extreme risk. We engaged with those communities directly over a period from about January to April, and by July had signed MOUs with each of those 9 communities to prepare their land without fire. By January 2015 we'd resolved down 5 projects for the Fire Free Village program. 1, a rewards program. 2, crew leader. 3 was alternative agriculture support for communities. 4th was the community awareness program, and the 5th was increased awareness and monitoring of haze levels in the environment. By the end of 2015, the program had reduced burning by over 90% in the worst fire season in 20 years in Indonesia.
Setelah kita bergabung pada MFP RPP pada tahun 2016, dan sangat memberi pengaruh kepada masyarakat kita, karena dengan masuknya program tersebut kita selalu mensosialisasi ke masyarakat untuk tidak lagi membuka lahan secara membakar.
Karena dengan sudah 2 tahun kita menggalakkan ini, alhamdulillah pada saat ini masyarakat sangat peduli dan peka dan sadar bahwa kegiatan untuk membakar ini memang tidak lagi dilakukan.
Pengalaman saya di Clue Leader yang selama ini berjalan, pernah saya dikejar oleh masyarakat itu pakai parang. Tapi alhamdulillah sekarang karena sering-sering saya bersosialisasi kepada beliau dan masyarakat di Kelurahan Langgam khususnya, yang pertamanya kita berjumpa sama dia itu ibaratnya dia menolehkan wajah. Kalau sekarang dia yang menyapa kita.
The biggest impact we've made in this environment is by removing burning as the first option for communities as a landscape management tool. Having that discussion and engagement with communities where they know that burning is not their only alternative. Sharing information about the impacts of smoke haze and the catastrophic impact it has on their children is one of the biggest levers that the program has in terms of talking with communities. Allowing people to understand that smoke haze is killing their children is a really important part of our message.
Nama saya Rehalgi, umur saya 11 tahun. Pada suatu hari saya mendapatkan sosialisasi di sekolah tentang bahayanya membakar hutan dan lahan. Setelah sosialisasi, saya pulang ke rumah memberitahu orang tua saya agar tidak membakar hutan dan lahan, karena bisa menyebabkan saya sakit dan teman-teman saya semua.
2017 is a really exciting year for us. We've got 18 villages as part of the Fire Free program, plus 9 who have graduated after 2 years with the program, and 50 communities who we're talking with at the fire aware communities level in the schools. We've also got our Fire Free Alliance partners who are expanding their own programs independently but using the same frameworks to over 200 villages across Riau and in other provinces as well. So it's a very exciting year for not only us but the entire alliance, I think.